Hello everyone, today we are in a different county than Windsor, which is only 30 minutes from Windsor. We are located in 4420 Belmont Avenue in Comber. Comber is located between Tilbury, Chatham, and also Windsor. So basically 30 minutes from Chatham and 30 minutes from Windsor. So we're right in the middle. A great location, especially for people who are trying to afford a little bit of money to stay in a brand new or newer houses in this location. And we have this extraordinary house, brand new. And we have a few things that has been unfinished, but of course you can arrange everything with the seller so we can get it done for specifically for the appliances, driveway or stuff like that. This is the frontage, half a stucco and half a brick, and we also have a 3 attached garage, basically 2 right here and 1 right there. And if you look at the area, say if you can show them, there's a lot of houses that are the same style as this house, which is basically the same builder. And this is not a far or like a vacant land. Basically, this house located in a kind of busy area in Comber, and at the same time, it's close to the farms and stuff like that. So there's a lot of people who are living in your area. And starting from here, let's go and see the house from the inside. So basically this house is sitting in a big lot, and there's also a big driveway and a big backyard. And every single part of this house, there is a lot of storage and there's a lot of space so you can use for your own living. Let's go and check it out. So basically in this area, the entrance is very huge and unique. I like how tall the ceilings are. Makes you feel that you are basically entering into a brand new or luxury house. Especially there is also a pot light that's sitting on the ceilings right there, and also saves this area from snow or rain. Let's go and take a look inside. Before we go and show you the details of this house, we're gonna tell you the price, which is only $944,000, which is very reasonable and affordable price for a brand new house like this. And also this house is basically featuring 2-story house, and there's also a basement with separate entrance, and has 4 bedrooms on the upper level, and there is 1 bedroom on office on the main floor, and there is a 3.5 bathrooms in the whole house. Let's go and start from this side. Basically this could be an office for your business, for your work, or it could be a bedroom if you don't need any office. There is a huge ceiling in this area. I love that this office is sitting very close to the entrance and the exit of the house, just in case you are working and there's basically a client or customers that are coming to see you, can just bring them right over here very close to the entrance. We have a very big this is a perfect example of the amount of windows that this house has. There is a lot and a big windows in this house. We have 1 here, and there's also Saif 1 right behind you, which is great. And we also have this, they already have put the plug for your TV, so you don't have to do any construction work. We have everything done. Huge ceilings, and I like the flooring as well. And let's come from the other side and take a look. If you can see, all of this tile is extended to not the whole house, but let's say half of the main floor and also the kitchen. From this side, we have our living or like dining area or dining table you can put here. It's a very big size, and we have the tile extended all to the end of this area. And of course we have another big or huge window in this side. From the other side, we don't forget the chandelier. The chandelier is very unique and simple.
So I really love the color matching between the the black flooring and the brown flooring as well. It's really unique and makes the house really special.
Exactly. And from the other side, basically here we have the coffee area. Saif, meet me right there so we can show them what we have right here. Basically we have the coffee corner right here. We literally love to have this space for our coffee machine or our coffee table. And also we have cabinets at the top just in case we need them. And from this side we have an extra space if you want to use them as a cabinet or storage. This is totally up to you. Here we have a built-in. You can just grab your cooler and put it here. It's going to be very helpful as well. And from this side, and all the tiles are extended to the full kitchen. But before we go there, let's show them the huge, literally a huge living area that we have. It's an open concept to the kitchen. Very big living area with the big windows and high ceilings. There is basically, this area is so huge and you can put a lot of furniture in there. And of course we have to add another dining table in the kitchen. I like that they basically divided the width. So from here we have a living area and the tile where you start your kitchen area. And I love the fireplace and also the frame of the fireplace.
This is a gas fireplace. So basically, like just by opening this, your whole house will be so hot, and you won't even need to spend a lot of time, heating your place.
I think there is no heat open right now, but it's already too warm here, so I'm trying to take my jacket off because it's so warm right here, even without opening any heater. It's great. That basically shows that there is a lot of insulation that they have added to basically keep the house warm in the cold weather. And this side we have our beautiful, beautiful kitchen. I love the kitchen. I think the kitchen is my favorite part in every house. I love the amount of cabinets, drawers, and also the big size island in the middle, which is very interesting. We have also cabinets and drawers from both sides of the island. And we also have these beautiful and very simple chandeliers or light fixtures at the top there. They are matching all together in every part of this house. And we look at the size of the window here at the top of our sink. It's very beautiful and it's so big. I just appreciate the amount of windows that they have in every part of this house. So basically a lot of sunlight, especially today it's not sunny, but there is a lot of sunlight that comes even though when it's dark outside. So let's see what we have here. How big is it? So basically we have all of these roofs attached to the ceilings. I love it. I love the color combination of the cabinets, and also they have basically gray cabinets, and in this side we have kind of blue on the middle island.
As much as we say maybe the color matching is not looking so good in the pictures,
yes,
but trust me, when you come here and see it in person, the color matching is just phenomenal.
And I think the size of the kitchen is pretty big because we also have another cabinets that are attached to the ceilings from the flooring from this side. And we have built-in fridge and built-in oven, microwave, and on that side we have the dishwasher. And of course you can arrange to put all of the stuff for yourself once you buy the house with the seller or with the owner. Saif, look at the backsplash that we have here. It also matches that all of these drawings on the granite top of the sink. We have a double sink as well here, and look at the handles. We have a gold handle for every cabinet here. I love it. And here we have a cooktop. Basically it's going to be a touch cooktop. It's going to be right here built in, which is very luxury as well. I think this kitchen is not missing anything. What do you think, Saif?
I think it's truly amazing, and Sarah, I love really the marble, the black and white marble. It looks like a zebra marble, so
exactly.
It's really nice, really cool, and it matches perfectly with the black backsplash and the white. It's just perfect. I really love the color matching.
I think there is a lot of excitement in this kitchen, more than just one color set for the whole cabinets and the flooring. And let's go and see this part. Basically we have a pantry. This is considered as a pantry, but I think you already have a lot of space in the kitchen to use. So this is going to be not only pantry and also a storage for your other stuff. And from this side, Saif, look at the tiles. It's extended all over the pantry and also this side. On this door takes us to the garage. We have 3 cars attached garage, basically 2 here and 1 right there. and you can use it as a storage as well. When you come from the garage, you also have your own closet. You can put your stuff or your shoes here. They basically have thought about your stuff everywhere in this house. And now let's go and show you the basement. Entering to the basement, we have a separate entrance from this side, specifically for the basement on the side area of the house, which is a pretty nice, especially like if you are planning to live in the basement, live upstairs and rent the basement, or if you are a big family and you're planning to kind of live there and downstairs, that would be also helpful for you. I see a lot of potentials in this basement, specifically with the high ceilings and also the very big space that we have. They already have added all the frames, the wood frames here, and you can just add the drywall. Of course, you can add and remove some stuff. You can change the map as you like. From this side, we have a bedroom. You can add a bedroom here, or you can do something else, whatever you like. But the size of the window is very, very important, because this is not a raised ranch, this is a two-story house. So usually in two-story houses, we don't see as big as these windows. So this is something very nice to have.
And I already love how high the ceiling is.
Yes, the ceilings are pretty high, you cannot even touch them. So this is great. On this side, we have the mechanic room at the very end. And here they have everything, basically the hookups ready for your bathroom if you wanted to add your own bathroom. And from this side we have a huge area, a huge size. You can do whatever you want here. You can customize this area as a second bedroom, and this is, you can add basically there your kitchen and also a living area. You can use it just a living area by itself without adding any second kitchen. That's also doable. Whatever you like, you can do. There's a lot of space, so you can play around with it. Right now, let's go and show you the upper floor.
And now we're gonna go ahead and show you the second floor. My favorite part is the master bedroom. We're gonna show it to you at the end. But let's start here with show you the space that we have on the upper floor so far. We have two huge size windows, one here and one on that side. And also from here, you can take a look at the main floor as well. You can see the door, you can see the formal dining area. So that's nice as well. And here, we're gonna start with our first bedroom. We have 4 bedrooms just on this floor and also 3 bathrooms. So starting from here, we have a good size area, a good size bedroom with a nice window that facing the backyard. And I also like that they have a carpet here. It's basically a preference. Some people like it, some people don't like it. But for me, especially when it's a brand new house, you're the first one to live in that house. Carpet is a good thing because it makes the house warmer. And even if you have kids, they fall something, they won't get hurt like if they are falling on a tile. So we have on the back, we have a closet, fairly good sized closet. And on the other side, we have a shared bathroom. We see this a lot in nicer houses. They don't want to have no bathroom for bedrooms. They should just make one and share it between 2 bathrooms. So this area is common. And also they have a door that separates the toilet and also the washer when you can take a shower. So this is the stand-up shower here, and also toilet. I really love the colors. It's a black, top to bottom, very nice doors, and also nice area. And between this, you can also have a couple of sliding doors that you can separate from that bedroom to this bedroom. And so I see how they are using the same colors, just the one that we saw in the kitchen. It's really nice and unique.
And Saif, I think I like the idea of them adding the sliding doors, just so it can save you more rooms inside the bathroom.
Sure, because if you have a door, you're gonna open it, and maybe both doors will be open and losing some space. So this is our second bedroom. It also has a nice closet, and it also have a very nice feature, which is a balcony. The balcony here is really nice, really unique, and it's actually fairly big. You can sit here, have fun, read a book, especially on summertime. You're gonna have a lot of fun in this balcony. It's shaded, covered from the top. You also have a light here, so even at nighttime you can go out and chill here. You can add some table, you can add some stuff here, and you can watch your backyard as well. So let's go back.
And Saif, I like the size of the backyard that they have here. It's pretty huge. There is no fence yet, and it's not planted yet. But of course, you can do your own, just like the neighbors that's doing right now. It's a huge, huge parking lot.
And Sarah, one of the things that I just noticed, it's very big, but I just noticed it, which is a very nice windmill. Like these windmills are really huge, and also, it's fun. Like sometimes you're just standing and look at the windmills. It's nice. I think it's cool. So let's go and continue the tour. So from here, we go to the right. We have 2 more bedrooms and 2 more bathrooms. Here is just the laundry room. You have a laundry dedicated just to the laundry, just to put your washer and dryer as well. So before we go to the master bedroom, we're gonna go ahead and show you this bedroom. So as soon as you go in, I really love the privacy. They have like a little alley, so if someone opens the door, like you're not, who's living here, like exposed right away. There's some space for privacy. So I really love that. And here we have a nice bathroom. Very nice tile flooring. It's a little bit different than the other tiles. It's a gray. I think it also matches perfectly. But it's really cool to have your own bathroom. Like even like every bedroom in this house feels like a master bedroom in terms of having its own bathroom. That's really cool. This bedroom facing the front of the house, and also just like the other ones, it has 2-door closets. That's really cool. And so I think they have added almost in every bedroom one of these. So if you want to have a TV, you don't have to make new holes inside the wall, and also you don't have to worry about your power. That's really interesting.
That's really smart, actually, saving you a lot of work.
That's really smart, yeah. So let's go right now and take a look at the master bedroom. Just like the other one, we have a little alley for more privacy, and I love the walls, like how they made the ceiling, it's really nice, really gives it more vibes. You can feel like you're walking into a master bedroom. And in terms of the size, this is the biggest one. In terms of the light, this one has the most lights, the most windows, and also it has its own big ensuite bathroom. So before we go to see the bathroom, let's take a quick look at the walk-in closet. So if you can show them the walk-in closet, it's really good size. You can also, if it's not enough for you, you can customize it and make it even better and more use of the space. So just on this bedroom, we have 1, 2, 3, and even the 4th window in the bathroom. So that's really cool. And look at the size. Very, very nice size for a bathroom. You have double vanity, and you have standing tub, standing shower. It's really nice, and they also use the black color that we have seen inside the kitchen and most of the house.
It's pretty nice. I like the color combination that they have added here. Looks pretty awesome.
It's really nice. Here they have it in white just to make some difference. And I think the overall, this house is really unique. And these are the same ones that we've seen in the kitchens. Really nice color combination.
And the most important is the size of the full bathroom. I think this is really good, and you can feel comfy when you walk inside. And here there's a lot of empty space. You can basically add some cabinets right there to store your towels.
Exactly, you can have some space to store your towels or decorations, make your bathroom even more nice and unique. So if you like the house, this house is listed for only $944,000. A similar house to this one, if you go and take it or put it inside Windsor, Ontario, is going to be at least like 1.5 or 1.6 million. So you're saving $600,000 to $700,000 just by being 30 minutes away from Windsor. Reach us out quickly before it sells. And if you want to see more tours like this, click on this video next, and we'll see you in the next one.